Hello guys, look. At this time so many people are coming to fishing at this Lauti river. Paisena pawanai. Ekthau laganai. Look guys, so many people are collecting fish with a different style because the water is dry up now guys. That's why lot of fish will get. Paisena pawanai. Paise. Look guys. So many people are busy to the kids in fish. Paisena ki yaar. Ki parli naki paise naki. Look guys, look, so many people are busy guys. Look, lot of people are collecting fish. Look, they are by now the water is dry by. They are by the water is very low quality dry up guys because protected na guys. That's why look guys, look. Oh, sabi mo na po mama na barley. Look guys, they are collecting barley, big fish. They are lot of collecting guys. Look guys, look guys, look. So many people, Boro people also coming to fishing fish, Boro, Adivasi and Oman. Many people. Parli paise naki yaar na pawanai. Huh? Pawanai. Pawanai. Look guys, they are busy for the catching fish. Someone looks big fish but nothing you can guys. Lot of people guys na guys. That's why look, this is the netting style for the fishing fish. Look guys, ayo lot of barlo khadeng naya nai pura lagise re oisa lot mas kila jumping kori ase. Look guys, this is the one kind of traditional technique for the fishing fish. Lot of fish jumping guys. Look guys, look. So many people are busy to catching fish. Yet barley dekha paise bole paise na pawanai. Ekhane pawanai. Ja ifale ja. Look guys, look. Look guys, at this time the weather is very lovely and pleasant and windy guys, and I'm really having fun at this time guys. Look, what an incredible moment guys, and I really love to see how the people are collecting fish with the net. Parli mas hasil bole paise na pawanai. Paise dekha paisil lagi. Look guys, someone suddenly seen a big fish but nothing fish happen guys. Look. So many people are busy to expert. Look guys, look. Oh, paise. Look guys. Barley to paise na. Look guys. 1 kg collected. Oh babu dekhau lai. Oh babu bisa jangan 1 kg. Wow, what a big fish man guy. Look, ada kg jangan khoma na. Look guys, look. Oh babu dekhau lai. Look guys, look, this is the big fish and he is collected this fish from the Lauti river. Look guys, so many people are busy to fishing fish with the net, and Boro people and Adivasi people are also coming to fishing fish at this river. Paunu mo nama ada nama barlia. Bisu to muna se si gei khai. Ha? Yeah. Ada kisan khoma na. Sinphoa. Na gidiran bara gei khendang na. Geiya na. Nusir masilo monkhabai nama. Yeah. Look guys. So many people are busy to the catching fish. Some people are getting lot of fish guys, and some are getting Big fish and small fish and different types of fishes they are collecting from this Lauti river. Look guys, look. What an incredible guy. So many crowded people guys. Look. मा नाम नोंना? सनजिब बसुमतारी. दा मा खालामगोन बेखौ जाहैसै. Look guys, what a big fish. Wow, look. So many people are busy to catching fish. Boro people and Adivasi also collecting fish with the different style. Look guys.
Oi, nah lang do.
School na chin puasa na. Wow guys. People are coming to catching fish at this Lauti river guys. Adivasi, Boro and different types of people are coming to collecting fish because the water is very dry up now guys. That's why. Look. Lot of fish collecting guys. Look. And at this time the weather is very lovely and clear. And at this time I am really enjoying at this moment guys. Look, so many crowded people you will get to see. Look guys, look. Anyway guys, thank you till then.